Hi everyone, so in this lesson we're going to learn a pretty advanced Keynote technique about how to create an animated GIF file. You've seen these on social media, very popular little short videos that just run around on a short loop, and they're very popular and can really help your presentation as well. So here we go. I'm going to demonstrate this with a new file. So let me bring up Keynote, and I've made one here already as a kind of practice go for me of a running guy, but I'm going to delete everything, okay, and go from scratch. So the first thing is I don't want this or this, so I'll just highlight them and delete them. Okay, so here's my slide, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in now there's all sorts of things in here. We've talked about this menu many times, but I'm going to put in a person, and I'm going to have two different images, that one and that one. And again, you can play around with these people. So let's make them a little bit larger. There we go, make them both roughly the same size. Okay, here we are. 1, 2. And then I'm going to show you a little sneaky shortcut. I'm going to select both and duplicate. Okay, and then just duplicate that one. There's my slide. Okay, now obviously if I show you that, it looks like someone's moving along. But actually, that's not really what I want to see. I want to see the actual movement. So I'm going to basically duplicate this slide by pressing either selecting a slide and pressing Command D, or right-clicking and going for duplicate. Or you can go to the menu and go Edit, Duplicate. That's entirely up to you. Alright, so there's my 5 slides. And now on slide 1, all I actually want is the first guy, so I'm going to drag my mouse over the other 4, hit backspace to delete them. All I want on this slide is the second guy, so I'm going to delete these and this one. On slide 3, I just want person number 3, so I'm selecting the others in turn and deleting them. On slide 4, I just want person number 4. And on slide 5, I just want person number 5. So I'm going to drag and delete those. And you can see live what's happening down here. I'm going to producing the basic 5-slide storyline. And if I go back up and play, you'll see that if I run through my slides, I'm kind of creating the illusion that someone is moving across the screen. Now I'm going to select all my slides. And here's the magic. I'm going to go File, Export to, and now what you'll see here in this list is an animated GIF. Here we go, the graphic interchange format. So if I click this, okay, slides 1 to, well, we want them all. Let's have 1 to 5. Not that worried about the resolution. This is just about the quality of the image you want. Frame rate, how quick you want it to be. This is frames per second. Again, set the default if you're not worried. Now this is important. This is how quickly your slides move. I've got 5. So at a bit of maths here, this timeline is a second long. Here I am at 2/10, so a fifth of a second. And as I've got 5 slides, 5/5 of a second is 1, so it'll last a second. If you can't be bothered to do the maths, it even does it for you. So in other words, kind of makes sense really. So if I advance more slowly, then it takes longer. Okay, and if I advance faster, then it'll take less time. So I'm kind of happy with a let's say a fifth of a second movement. Okay, and that'll be fine between my slides. Okay, now I just click next, and I select where I want to keep it. I select a name. I'm going to call this Running Dude. Desktop is fine, but again, if you click this button here, you can save it in any location you like on your computer. I'm going to export, and the job is done. So let's minimize this and now have a look at our desktop, and here we have Running Dude. So if I double click Running Dude, let's just open it, and rather disappointingly, all you see is a load of slides. You think, oh, that's no good. Look, 26 slides, what's happened there? And what it's done is it's calculated how many times it needs to repeat. But it actually is an animated GIF file, and here's the proof. If I right click and open with and just pick any browser you like, so let's go with Safari, and now there it is. and you'll see this guy running. He's not really running, it's just a series of screenshots, snapshots of the guy running across the screen, giving the illusion, because they're in different places. And this is how film works, really. It is a really important point to notice. Let me just close that browser down, that depending on the browser you open it with, so let me show you in a different browser, Firefox, it's slightly differently presented, so just really be aware of that. Okay. Now, another really sneaky thing you can do, let's just close that down. Another really sneaky thing you can do, which kind of feels a bit weird, yeah, I'll do that, that's fine, is if I wanted to put that guy in, let me delete all of these slides. Okay, delete all of these slides. Okay, and my talk about running. Okay, I could present a talk about running, but here's something I can do. Let's just be tidy. I can actually insert something. Okay, let's say I want to insert something like, oh, I don't know, for example, an animated GIF on my desktop. And now, here it is. And if I press play, obviously I haven't set it to run yet, but if I press play, and this could be my title slide. And it's really interesting because it's got something that's saying to me, oh, this is going to be an interesting talk. This guy's got a guy running. So there you go, just a little powerful extra tool that you can do with Keynote to create animated GIFs and pep up your title slides. Or just put them on your website or your social media feed. Entirely up to you. Well, there you go. Not as tricky as you think once you know. This free video is part of a course that I've written all about how to use Keynote, right from the basic techniques to the more advanced. If you want to know more, sign up to my newsletter by visiting my website here. If you click there, you'll find there is a free newsletter which comes out every month, and we'd be delighted to welcome you to the subscriber list. Have a great day. Bye.